What's up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Wall Street Bets Fails. Wall Street Bets is a Reddit forum where stock and options traders post and discuss their biggest trades, and we're here to keep track of it all. If you like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get into the first fail of the week. First up, we have the user Cohen Positive Carry, who saw his portfolio tank more than 90% in less than a week as his out-of-the-money calls on Gap expired worthless. Over the summer, Kanye and the Gap Inc. announced a partnership to bring an entirely new line called Yeezy Gap to market. On this news, Gap stock skyrocketed with expectations for further gains, at least by this Robinhood user. Unfortunately, even a more than 50% increase in stock price was not enough for his calls to be worth anything by their expiries this past week. Perhaps this was a lesson on getting burned by taking on too much risk. Better luck next time, Cohen Positive. It seems we have quite a few people making significant losses on AMD this week. We'll take a couple of the fattest losses today. First, we have the user Vinamosa, who is currently down $75,000 all time, most recently off a $6,000 single-day loss on AMD calls. He still holds at-the-money AMD calls expiring within 1 week. Although he now wishes to exit this trade, he found that the calls were too illiquid to sell at his limit prices. Aside from some commenters roasting his English, people seem to be more interested in the level of his battery at the time of this post. Another commenter explains the mechanism behind his attempted profits and resulting losses. In any case, at least this time his calls aren't so far out of the money, so he may have a chance at regaining some of these losses. Next up, we have the user Curious Ablet, who is currently down more than $13,000 on a play on out-of-the-money AMD calls. Apparently, he bought these calls right before the drop in AMD stock following their announcement of their acquisition of Xilinx. However, he still believes there may be a chance of a recovery by the time of expiry, to which most of the commenters agree. After all, diamond hands, the philosophy of holding a losing trade so as not to admit defeat and hoping for a rebound, is in fact the Wall Street Bets way.
Stop it. Get some help.
Many commenters advocated this strategy and denounced any suggestion of living to fight another day. Hopefully, AMD can recover by expiry above his $100 strike price. Next up, we have a post from the investing forum worthy of Wall Street Bets' level of intelligence. This person somehow heard about benefits of investing using a Roth IRA, but unfortunately did not realize that simply depositing money in a Roth IRA account does nothing but let your money sit as cash. In reality, a Roth IRA is simply a type of investment account, just like a Robinhood account, in which you can buy and sell stocks, with the only difference being that it has tax benefits and limitations on contributions and withdrawals. So this person, if he hadn't realized his mistake, would have been in for a surprise when it comes to time to retire. Some Wall Street Bets users point out that letting money sit as cash in an IRA would still be better than the results of many Wall Street Bets users. Other commenters counter that the tax harvesting from realizing investment losses can actually be beneficial, akin to Donald Trump's recently released $750 tax bill. In any case, hopefully no one will make this rookie mistake. Alright guys, that's all for this week. We'll be back next week with more of Wall Street Bets' biggest fails. Wall Street Bets Fails, signing out.